Well, good evening. So I know it's been a couple of weeks. It's been crazy. But I'm here. I've got lots of new goodies for the Street Glide. I know for those of you that are sitting tight waiting for something else for the Springer, I've still got stuff. I'm just having more fun with the new Street Glide right now. So we will get back to the Springer, but for now, Street Glide goodies. As you can see, we've got stuff and more stuff and boxes, and I may have taken advantage of the Black Friday deals going on, and we've got another sponsored video coming up very soon, and it's big. So sit tight on that one. That one will probably be coming out next week or the week after. But for today, what we're going to be doing is, let's take you over here, is that chrome tank dash. It's going away. And that chrome timer cover down there is going away. So to show you what we're going to replace it with here, try not to make you nauseous while I'm walking around, is some Thrashin parts, some Harley parts. So I'm going to go ahead and get these unboxed off camera so we can check these out together. So one sec. All right. So from Thrashin, we've got the forged carbon. See if I can get this to focus here. Timer cover. Pretty good size too, and it's legit carbon fiber, not just a sticker like I did with the last bike. But that forged looks good. And it comes with the hardware. Not that I think we'll need it, but hey, we got it, we'll use it. And then the carbon fiber tank dash cover that they put on the STs, but obviously without the ST, going down the center. So, and that also is real. It looks good. I'm trying to get that glare out of there. So definitely digging this, and it's stupid light. So I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the bike, figure out what tools we need, and I'll let you know when I know. Hold up. All right, so with the seat off, and for anybody who may or may not be interested, I did go ahead and ceramic the whole bike. So I've already taken this off once before, so I could do underneath it because I'm that anal retentive, and then put this back on. So this is even easier on the 24s than it was on the 19 that I had. But down here, we got a T27, and then up here, we have a 5/32. So I'm gonna get that out with a ball Allen. I got my little T handle here, and then this just lifts up and off. There's no breather hoses or vent lines underneath. So when I get these pulled, I'll lift up and you guys can kind of see what I'm doing and know that I'm not pulling your leg. All right, so everything's pulled. So just go ahead and slowly, gently lift up and off. See? No breather lines, no hoses, just clean and easy. So we're gonna go ahead and walk over and set this down before I screw it up. And that'll go into the never to be seen from pile again, at least until I buy the next bike. Kidding, especially because my wife is watching. So headed back to the bike. And this already has the rubber gaskets on it, and up through there. So I didn't have to do anything but take it out of the box and put it on the bike. Nice, snug fit. Probably jimmy that a little bit, but fits perfect. So, and I think this is going to be much nicer to look at than that giant chrome thing that everybody's running. Now, I know if you've got an ST, well, let me correct myself, that CVO ST on the Road Glide, you've already got this. But I'm not seeing a whole lot of those around town, at least yet. So this is my way of being just a little bit different, which is why we're doing the forged carbon instead of the woven carbon. So I'm gonna get this cinched down, get the seat back on, and then we'll move on to the timer cover. All right, so this is what we're gonna be swapping out. And then we got another 5/32 top and bottom. And then it did come, Thrashin sent it with some new cap head hardware that might be another 5/32 30 seconds, I'm not sure yet. So we'll find out in a sec. But we'll go ahead and pop that bad boy off and get the new one on. Just 2 screws. And there it is. So the cap head screws sit nice and flush. I didn't use my ratchet on this. I just kind of put it on a socket or on an extension and hand tightened it until I heard the fiberglass or carbon fiber creaking, and I called it good. So, but that looks good. I mean, even they got their little logo up top, which, I mean, it is what it is. At least it's small and subtle. You know, it's not, I don't like to display big logos if I can avoid it, but that's really not terrible. So, but that and that, it's a good start to things to come. So I will be putting links down below in the description. Whoop, there you are. In the description down below of the parts to Thrashin, the parts to Harley. And unfortunately, the Black Friday sales are over. But the last I checked, it's still available. Now, the dash cover, or dash console, I don't know, the thing from Harley, is only, at least in my area, only available through the dealer, which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. So I got that ordered, showed up about a week later. Thrashin, ordered straight from them, showed up about a week later. Shipping was all pretty quick considering everybody Black Friday shopping. So, and here we've got the new exhaust. That took almost 4 weeks to show up. And here we've got the stuff for the new bars, new grips. So I'm not going to show you any of that. Also got some stuff from Advan Black. But today it's just about the tank and the timer cover. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take the timer cover that I just took off of the bike and mount it up here with these others. I don't feel like it really fits my theme here, but I don't know. It's kind of fun. Some people collect the derby covers. I do timer covers. They take up less space. So I don't know. We'll see. I can go here. I don't know. But I have weird collections, weird hobbies and things of the nature. Anyway, so that's all I've got is just that. But definitely be watching for more videos. Like I said, we're doing bars. We're doing an exhaust. We got some stuff from Advan, and we've got a big surprise sponsor coming up, which will probably land before we do any of the other stuff. So please hang tight, and let me know if you have any questions or comments, you know, down below, and I always get back to you. So that's all I've got. Until next time, we'll catch y'all later.